Hey miners, Mining King here. Today we're going to be checking out how to dual mine Ton in Hive OS. So let's get right into it. Okay, before I show you guys how to actually dual mine, I just want to say that I have already done a video on how to mine Ton, which you will need to learn how to do some of these things before you dual mine. So you're going to want to check that up in the card right here, because otherwise it's going to be very difficult for you to mine Ton, dual mine anyways. So make sure to check out that card. As well as be sure to check out our Discord if you have any mining questions or troubleshooting problems, or if you just want to talk GPUs. Link for the Discord will be down below. So let's get back to our video. Okay, guys. So before we start dual mining Ton, this is the GitHub for LOL miner releases, and you can see a chart here with some of their hash speeds and their clocks, what they've been getting and stuff like that. So they have a guide here for various different cards from NVIDIA down all the way down to AMD. So make sure to check these, and these are strictly for core, not memory. So make sure you regulate your voltages with your core and do not set a power limit. Alright guys, so we're over here in Hive OS. In this video, I will show you how to dual mine Ton. So you're gonna have to know how to make flight sheets previously. If you don't know how to make flight sheets, once again, for Ton, make sure to check out the card up in the upper right hand corner, and I will teach you how to make a flight sheet and how to mine to the Ton pool. So you also have to know how to make flight sheets for Ethereum mining as well. So you're going to want to come over here to flight sheets, and you're going to pick your coin. So I'll pick ETH. Now I have a few different wallets, but we'll just say I'm going to use my MetaMask wallet. Then you're going to want to select your pool. Let's just say I was going to mine the Hive on, and you could just click auto, and then it'll find the best for you. Now in the miners here, you're going to want to use LOL miner 1.143, or you could use 1.144. I found that if you click the latest, sometimes there is troubles with the miners. So you're going to click 1.44. Okay, so the next step you need to do is you have to come up here to the second hash algorithm, okay? And then you're going to come down to Ton dual, okay? Now this is where you can create the worker name. You can manually enter in your pool server right here if you want to do it that way. I recommend doing it this way because it's much easier. So see, look, obviously you can't dual mine ETC because you would just get half and half. That wouldn't be very productive. So we're going to click Ton, and then you're going to have to make a wallet. So make sure you watch the previous video I made for, how to mine Ton, because I show you how to make a wallet and how to mine Ton. So make sure to check out that card up top about how to mine Ton. And then you're going to come over to our pool. Now, once again, I did try the Whales Not pool. It did not work very well for me. I had a lot of issues with it, so I recommend using Ton pool. And then I always click just both these servers as just like a backup kind of a feature. Okay, and then sometimes I did notice that after you clicked all of the settings for the dual mining here, that you'd have to come up to you see what happened here? The second hash algorithm got deleted. So you have to come back up here and click dual mine, Ton dual, and click apply. And then you would do create flight sheet. Okay. So now you can see that we have our Ton flight sheet here. So we're going to go back to the workers. And what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using my test bench. So we're going to come over to our flight sheets. And we'll just say we'll use this LOL. We'll use the 1.44. You're just gonna click your rocket, and then you're gonna wait a few minutes. Now, note that now if you have an LHR card like I do, this is a Gigabyte Aorus Elite 3060 Ti, that during the LHR locking and unlocking, you will see voltage irregularities for at least 15 minutes. It does take a long time to set the LHR mode. It seems to be a lot longer than it would be for Ethereum normally. I'm not sure if this is just due to the dual mining, features. But here, we'll head into the miner here. All right, guys, so here we are. We are here in the miner, and then you can see right here that it's doing the whole LHR locking and unlocking. So you'll see jobs for SHA-256 average speed and your ETH hash, and and when you see the jobs come up, it'll say ton job. If it says new job epoch, that's obviously for Ethereum. So now, like I said before, you will see a lot of fluctuation in mega hash as well as power for at least 15 minutes. Because see, please wait while LHR semi-analog tuning is ongoing. It will actually stop mining, but it won't turn the miner off. But it will stop mining and then restart the miner again to go through the LHR cycle. So it does take a few cycles in order to lock it down. So it does take some time. As you can see, our mega hash is going up. We were at 40.35 and now we're at 40.86. So just have a little bit of patience while it's doing this. It's going to take some time. If you don't have an LHR card, you don't have to worry about this. This only applies to LHR. All right, now let's get back into this over here. So you can't set a power limit, and you need to set your core. So the core will affect your mega hashes on your Ethereum a little bit. Now, also, while you're dual mining, because now you are also using your memory and your core as well, so your GPU will run hotter. So you need to crank those fans up if you haven't already to keep the GPU all the way cooled down, because now you are effectively using 100% of the graphics card. As you can see, I'm getting the full hash rate of my 42 and about a half mega hashes, and I'm at about 1 giga hash for TON. So let's check out and go to what to mine and see, what we're doing here. So let's just calculate a 3060 Ti. Okay, and we're going to make about, after our electric at 10 cents per kilowatt, you're making about $1.86 a day. Now, what you need to also take into consideration is TON. So let's do a TON profit calculator. It's at 1 giga hash. You're already paying for the electrical, so we just want to figure out what it's going to make a day. So it's going to make you an extra 45 cents a day on top of what you're already making. All right, guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope it was really helpful. Just remember, you're going to need to watch that first video on how to mine TON if you want to dual mine, so that way you guys can get registered with the pool. So make sure to check out that video. All right, guys, this is the Mining King giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time.